projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Ascertaining Fish Freshness by exploring the deep learning. This project centers around the utilization of a CNN algorithm to determine the freshness of the fish by analyzing the visual indicators, specifically the color of the fish eyes. The primary objective is to train a model using the fish freshness dataset, enabling the accurate freshness prediction. Typically, fresh fish are characterized by dark black eyes, while the less fish display varying eye colors. The project encompasses the various modules including the dataset uploading, pre-processing, CNN model generation and ability to test the model preference. The main objective of this project is to create a CNN model that can predict the freshness of the fish by analyzing the visual cues, particularly the color of their eyes. The project utilizes the fish freshness dataset to train the model and achieve the accurate freshness classification. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements: operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement: Python IDE with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to implement this project. The first module is Upload Fish Dataset. This module is responsible for uploading the fish dataset to the application. This dataset contains the collection of fish images that will be used for training and testing the freshness prediction model. And the second module is Pre-process the dataset. In this module, the images from the fish dataset are read and processed to ensure the compatibility with convolution neural network model. This pre-processing step typically involves normalizing the pixel value to a standard range and resizing the images to a uniform size that is acceptable for the CNN model. And the third module is Generate and Build CNN model. This module involves the generation and construction of a CNN model specifically designed for predicting the fish freshness. The CNN model is built using the various slices such as convolutional layers, pooling layers, and fully connected layers. The model is trained using the pre-processed fish images, learning to identify the pattern and features that indicate the freshness of the fish. And the final module is Upload the test image and predict the freshness. In this module, the user can upload a test image of a fish to the application. The uploaded image is then analyzed by CNN model, which predicts the freshness of the fish based on the learned features and patterns. The prediction may be classification output, indicating whether the fish is fresh or not. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The first folder is Dataset Model, consisting of fresh fish images folder and the non-fresh images folder, and the test images, as these test images are used for testing the model, and it is a model folder consisting of .hy files which contain the deep learning algorithm information. These .hy files can be loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks, such as making prediction on the new data or performing the specific operation. And augmentation main are the Python code files, and the run is a bat file. Here, we use, instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. This is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. And First, we need to click on Upload Fish Dataset button. Here, this button, we are going to import the dataset from this folder. I am selecting the dataset folder and click on Select Folder button. Here, we get a screen of Dataset is loaded. And now click on Pre-Process Dataset button to normalize the images, and we get this sample image. In this, all images are processed and I am displaying one processed image. And now close this graph. Here, total images found in the dataset is of 819. And click on Generate Well CNN model. Here, by this the CNN model is generated, and here we get an confusion matrix. Here this matrix, all the images are predicted correct as wrongly predicted image count is of 0. Now close this image. And here the CNN algorithms use the accuracy of 96.3, precision of 96.05, recall of 96.8, F measure of 96.2, and click on Upload Test Image and Predict Freshness button. Here we get an images from the test images folder and select any one of the image from this folder. I am selecting that of F2 image and clicking on Open button. Here we get a screen of fish predicted as fresh. In this way, we can predict the freshness of fish by using the CNN model. In conclusion, this project successfully demonstrated the effectiveness of CNN-based approach for predicting the fish freshness based on the visual cues, specifically the color of fish eyes. By training the model on the Kaggle fish freshness dataset, we achieved accurate classification of fish freshness. The development modules for dataset uploading, pre-processing, CNN model generation, and test image prediction provided a user-friendly framework for accessing the fish freshness. This project contributes to development and reliable tools for the seafood industry to ensure the quality and freshness assessment.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.